Your eyes are often called the windows to your soul. But how clear are your windows? Do you see the world in sharp detail, or is your vision slightly blurred? In this video, we will take you through a simple eyesight test. It's fun, quick, and you can do it right from your screen. Remember, this is not a medical test, but it can give you an idea of how sharp your eyesight really is. Good eyesight is important in everything we do. It helps us read, drive safely, enjoy movies, and even appreciate the beauty of nature. Many people in the UK, US, and around the world don't realize their eyesight is weakening until they test it. That's why this simple test is a great way to check how sharp your vision really is. Let's start with sharpness. Imagine looking at an eye chart like this. Can you read the smallest letters clearly? Now picture yourself moving back a little. If the letters become blurry, it means your eyes might not be as sharp as they used to be. Don't worry, this happens to many people as they get older. Good lighting can also make a big difference in how clearly you see. Now let's test your focus. Hold your finger about 10 inches from your face. Look at it, then quickly shift your eyes to something far away, maybe a wall or a window. Did your eyes adjust smoothly? Healthy eyes can shift focus easily between near and far objects. If you notice strain or delay, it might mean your focus needs checking. Here's a color vision test. Look at the colored circle on the screen. Can you see the numbers or patterns inside it? People with normal color vision can spot them quickly. But if some colors blend together or the numbers are hard to see, it could be a sign of color vision issues. Don't worry, many people have mild color blindness without even knowing it. Now let's check your side vision, also called peripheral vision. Look straight ahead without moving your head. Wiggle your fingers at the sides of your eyes. Can you see them moving without turning your head? Healthy peripheral vision is important for driving and crossing streets safely. If you can't see your fingers until they're closer, it may be worth checking with an eye doctor. So how good is your eyesight? Were you able to read the small letters? Shift your focus quickly and see all the colors clearly. These simple checks can give you a clue about your vision. But remember, only a professional eye exam can give you a full picture. If you had trouble with any part of this test, it may be time to visit an optician. Take care of your eyes, they truly are your windows to the world. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more health and wellness tips from Zip Riff.